Introducing the Nexxgen fully intelligent digital box making machine, a powerful, all-in-one solution designed for modern packaging needs. This advanced system seamlessly performs horizontal slotting and scoring, vertical slitting and creasing, as well as horizontal cutting and precise die cutting of handle holes on both sides of the carton. Engineered for efficiency, the machine requires just a single operator and allows order changes in as little as 1 to 6 seconds. It features a high-speed die-cutting system with leading-edge paper feeding, powered by a servo motor for superior accuracy and performance. The Nexxgen digital box maker is built to serve a wide range of industries, including furniture, hardware accessories, e-commerce logistics, and many more. Capable of handling 20 to 50 sheets at a time, the automatic feeding system ensures stable operation, consistent output, and precise dimensions every time. The maximum paper feeding width can be customized based on customer requirements, while the board length remains virtually unlimited. Recognized as one of the most versatile and intelligent box-making machines available today, it delivers customized packaging solutions for both end users and box manufacturing plants. With a production speed of 500 to 800 pieces per hour, the Nexxgen digital box maker sets a new benchmark in speed, flexibility, and intelligent manufacturing. Printing and inline gluing functions are also available as optional add-ons, allowing further customization based on production needs.